Hi guys, my name is Mrinalini and I have been a language trainer of over 6 years. I've been teaching students of different age groups and I've seen them transform their life by mastering the arts of communication and improvising their English language. If you wish to improve your range, that is vocabulary, accuracy, that is grammar, fluency using linkers in idioms, pronunciation and interaction, 5 CEF are parameters used to gauge English language proficiency of an individual, then you have come to the right person. English is the most exciting and expressive language. And my idea of teaching is to make learning fun and interactive. I will be sharing some very useful tips with you that will help you enhance your communication skills. You will realize in no time you are able to communicate like native speakers. I do understand that it can be daunting if you're not able to express yourself, or that one promotion or one step to success is because of a language barrier. Trust me when I say this, all of us have faced obstacles, and the only way to overcome them is to face them and stand strong. I will help you to face your fear of English language and make this experience truly fruitful. Learning is a two-way street, and together we will embark your journey to success. If you wish to transform your life and enhance your communication skills, feel free to book your trial class with me today. Remember, with hard work and perseverance, you can conquer the tallest mountains in the world. Thank you.